Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And we are given a problem here to solve. Let's try to solve it together. It reads, if a raised to the power 3 multiplied by b raised to the power negative 3 multiplied by c raised to the power 3 upon 4 divided by a raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by b raised to the power 2 multiplied by c raised to the power 5 is equals a raised to the power p, b raised to the power q, c raised to the power r. What is the value of p plus 2q? Now we have to find the value of p plus 2q. Now to do, let's get started. Solution. Now we are given options A to D to choose which one is correct among this one. Now since we are given a raised to the power 3 multiplying by b raised to the power minus 3 multiplying by c, then everything raised to the power 3 upon 4, then we divide by a raised to the power minus 1 multiplying by b raised to the power 2 multiplying by c raised to the power 5. Okay, now it means this set of equation must be equal to this one. Then after we should substitute the value of p and q for us to have our answer. Now it continues. Now here we just need to apply power law of indices. This is product law. Just like, and if you have a raised to the power 2 multiplied by b times m raised to the power 1, this is 2 also, then everything raised to the power 2. Now what this one means, we apply product rule, product rule, right? Now meaning product rule stated as having a certain factors in a bracket. What I need to do, you just need to distribute this power over each factor. It means every factors inside this bracket is going to have its own power also. That is 3 upon 4. Now we say this is a raised to the power 3. Now it's raised to the power 3 upon 4 also. Now we distribute the power over each factor. That is what product rule is trying to say. We have b raised to the power minus 3. Now raised to the power 3 upon 4. Now multiplying by, we have c raised to the power 1, then multiplying by 3 upon 4. Now we have distributed the power over each factor. Then if that be the case, we divide everything by a raised to the power minus 1 multiplying by, this is b raised to the power 2 multiplying by, this is c raised to the power 5. Okay, now it continues. Here we just need to apply power law of indices. Just like if you have a raised to the power b, then again raised to the power c. This is a power, this is also a power. We apply power law of indices. And we know power law of indices stated as having a power and again raised to another power. What I need to do for you to have your answer, you just need to multiply the two powers for you to have your answer. Therefore, this becomes a, that is b times c. Okay, so the same thing implies here. Therefore, we say this is a. Now we multiply the two powers. 3 times 3, this giving you raised to the power 9 upon 4. Okay, multiplying by, this is b. We say minus 3 times 3 giving minus, this becomes minus 9 divided by 4. We have multiplying by, this is c. This becomes 1 times 3 giving you 3 upon 4. Okay, now we raise everything, we divide everything by, let's divide everything by a raised to the power minus 1 multiplying by b raised to the power 2 multiplying by c raised to the power 5. Then having gone from this point, we applied division law of indices. This is division law. Wherein if you have a raised to the power 4 divided by a raised to the power 3, then if they are the same base, you take one base, then you subtract 4 minus 3. Then which will result to as a raised to the power 1. Okay, the same thing implies here. We are coming to, we have this and this are the same base. Then what are we to do? We take one base of them, then we subtract their power. That is 9 divided by 4 plus 1. Okay, the same thing implies, say multiplying by, this is b we have minus 9 divided by 4 minus 2 upon 1. Okay, multiplying by the same thing implies to this. We have c raised to the power 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 1. Okay, then we just need to do the necessary. Then we say this is a. Looking at this, if you are finding the LCM between 4 and 1, this is 4. We know 4 into 4 1 times 9, this is 9, plus 1 into 4 4 times 1 giving you 4. Okay, now we are multiplying by, this is b, the same thing again, the LCM is 4. 4 into 4 1 times minus 9, this is minus 9, minus 1 times 4 times 2 giving you 8. Okay, multiplying by, this is c, we'll find also the LCM, that is 4. 1 times 3, this is 3 minus 4 times 5 giving you 20. Okay, now from this point we say this is a raised to the power 9 plus 4 giving you 13 divided by 4, multiplying by, this is b, minus 9 minus 8 giving you minus 17 divided by 4. Okay, multiplying by, this is c raised to the power minus 17 divided by 4. Okay, but don't forget, this is everything equals to a raised to the power p times b raised to the power q times c raised to the power r. So now if you are comparing them, and we know the value of p becomes, you can say therefore, the value of p becomes, comparing a raised to the power p and a raised to the power 13 becomes, the value of p becomes 13 upon 4, and the value of q, the value of q becomes minus 17 divided by 4, and the value of c becomes, the value of r, becomes minus 17 divided by 4. So now, but the question says we have to find the value of p plus 2q. We have to find p plus 2q. This is what we have to find. But we know p is given as 13 upon 4. We substitute now right away. If we are substituting, we have 13 upon 4 plus 2 into, what is q? We know q is given as minus 17 divided by 4. Okay, now this becomes, now we can say this is equals 13 upon 4. This becomes minus, we know 2 into 4 2 times, this becomes minus 17 divided by 2. Now from this point, if you find your LCM, saying what is the LCM between 4 and 2, it is 4. 4 into 4 1 times 13, this is 13, minus 2 into 4 2 times 13 giving 34. Okay, now 13 minus 34 giving you, this is equals minus 21 divided by 4. So it means the value of p plus q becomes minus 21 divided by 4. So this is the value of p plus q that we have to find in respect to this problem that we are given. Then if you look at the option that we are given, let's look at the option that we are given. Automatically we can say the value of c is correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.